everyone. Today we're going to go over how to document a testimonial or patient story using PNBot. So I have PNBot pulled up here and I'm in my home screen, and there's this area here that says document a patient story or testimonial, and I'm going to click on patient testimonials to take me to the testimonials data entry sheet. So what we mean by testimonial is any sort of qualitative feedback that a patient may provide about the patient navigation program. So this might be correspondence or a nice letter or a quote, feedback, anything of that nature that might provide qualitative support or feedback about the navigation program. So in this data entry sheet, my first step is to select a patient so that PNBot knows which patient I'm talking about. And then I'm going to click on Add a New Testimonial or Story to bring up my form. These grayed out fields I'm not really going to worry about. It's pulled from the patient data. The date of the testimonial defaults to today, but I can click in that cell to choose a different date from the widget if I want to. And then Format is a drop-down list. So I can choose from correspondence, like if the patient sends me an email, or if it's a written submission, like something maybe more formal, an interview or quote, some kind of a survey response, or another format. So I can select that here. I'm selecting correspondence, such as a letter or email. And then I have another drop-down indicating permission to share whether or not the patient is allowing the navigation program to share whatever correspondence I'm about to document. And then next is the testimonial content, which is basically a big text box where I can type whatever the patient said, or I could just copy and paste it in here. And then I could also write other notes for myself, like for example, if the patient gives permission to use in reports but does not want to be named, or I don't know, whatever that example might be. If you need a little bit more room to write in this other notes box, you can always resize a row by coming over here and then dragging the height to be a little bit bigger. And then the record history, I'm not really going to worry about. It's grayed out. It's going to be automatically generated as my timestamp. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on Save. And that save is successful, so I'm going to click OK. And that takes me back to a blank data entry form. Now, if I want to see the testimonial that I just entered or the full list, I click on that button to see full list of testimonials, and that takes me to this database here. And I see that what I just entered for first example patient on August 3rd did indeed save over here as a new row. Now, if I were in the middle of writing a grant application to garner additional support for the navigation program, and that application would really be well supported by a powerful patient story or some kind of feedback in support of the navigation program, I can come to this testimonials list here, and maybe I could see, like, if I wanted to keyword search for any particular topic, like if I wanted a story or a quote about how navigators supported patients and made them feel really supported, I could type in a keyword search for support, let's say, and that would take me to this content here from Mr. Second Patient, where they did indeed talk about how the navigation program made him feel very supported after his diagnosis. Or you could also come here and look at the date that the testimony was submitted if you're looking for a particular date range, or what have you. So that's basically how it works for documenting testimonials in a structured way. It can be really powerful for any sort of report or any type of external facing, grant application or anything of that nature where a story could really bolster the case and show the real value of the navigation work that you're doing. Thanks for watching.